Thanks so very much, Brian. I just love being in the classroom. I love to have students pose questions. It's time to ignite and for teachers to fuel the flame because some like it hot, like the movie of the same name. After a scant 5 minutes, I hope you'll agree that everything's better when you examine 3D. In the 1940s, M.C. Escher brilliantly observed how his world could tessellate with various curves. They were, alas, just two-dimensional flat beings. They were trapped in the plane with limited scenes. Until one of them decided that that was enough, he crawled out of Escher's notebook in a move that was tough, climbing the desktop articles. That was rough. A dozen years later, a film hit the screens a lot. It was Some Like It Hot, or So I Thought. It was actually the 7-year itch with this great scene, but it was still just 2D because it was on a flat screen. But fast forward again in the land of Palm Springs, with a 3D model asking mathematical things, a 26-foot enlargement of note. Let's see what math questions our students can denote. The kids said the dress size must be an outlier. And about her shoe size and legs, they know something's haywire. Speaking of which, how long is her gait? And someone that size must have plenty of weight. Okay? How big is the house that she lives in, they wonder. She's double the height of the Stonehenge asunder. How big is a plane for someone that tall? An airplane that size from the sky might just fall. And how many calories would she eat in a day? We'd have to throw the units of kcals away and replace it with gigacals as the new units, I'd say. One student asked, how many hot dogs that giant lady could eat? The record for women is 48 in a meat. With a stomach her size, she won't easily be beat. And how big is the toothpaste that she uses each night? And how long is the toothbrush that keeps her teeth bright? A size like that could bring the company's demise. And do you think the 60% free still applies? Surface area increases with the square of the scale factor. How much more soap would she use than this daffy actor? She may need so much that she needs a soap benefactor. Okay? How many pounds of makeup each month is applied? And how many gallons of nail polish is tried? How many regular size lipstick does she lay aside? What would be the size of the origami paper she uses? And how large are the origami cranes that she produces? And the other big models which she introduces? And here is a leading question from the boys that I've taught. How much can she bench press? And how much weight can she squat? The girls, on the other hand, in my class, ask about her brain. With a cranium that large, she must be a genius with no strain. But they hope she doesn't suffer from acute migraines. And what if instead she were shrunken to 8 inches tall? How would length, surface area, and volume befall? And would she be bullied because she's so small? Okay. In math, 3D means a geometric shape, but there is much more to that in the math landscape. This conference especially is totally 3D true because its focus is on dream, dare, and do. Okay? You get it, 3D, dream, dare, do. Okay, 3D. Okay? If you don't believe the words out of my mouth, just confirm them this weekend at CMC-South. Well, we've reached the end. And I must say, the most common question from my students today was by far Mr. Masunaga. Who is this lady anyway? The end. Aloha.
Okay.